What's up, everybody? This is Top Flight, servicing a coin mech for a Coinco 9300 series. All you do is push these two little tabs here, push them up, and they'll expose 3 screws, and you'll be able to get them out. I'll show you. I see you push these 2 pieces up here. This front will come down. Remove the belt drive. There's 3 screws, as you can see. 2, 3 in the bottom. Just remove those. There's also this fuse here that connects the power. Just remove that, and then I'll show you the next step. So what you do is pull it up. There's a little latch there. You pull it up, slide forward. Now the cartridge comes out. Set that aside. Now you can access the last screws and the coins. I'll show you the next step. And there you guys go. It's fully removed. Now you can clean, do maintenance, service. And this is for a Merlin version 2000 version 5 board. Hope that helps. Enjoy your day. Bless.